Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record bank transactions manually in Zoho Books. This guide will walk you through each step so you can keep your financial records clear, accurate, and well organized. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account and head over to your dashboard. This is where you'll find access to all the key features. From here, look for the option that lets you manage transactions and click on it. Next, locate the bank transfer option. Clicking here is important because it opens the section for handling money movements between your accounts. Zoho Books makes it simple by giving you a clean interface that's easy to follow. Now, move over and select Petty Cash if you're recording smaller everyday transactions. Even though they may seem minor, these transactions are just as important as the larger ones when it comes to keeping your records accurate. After that, choose Transfer to another account. This is where you'll specify where the funds are going. Always double-check you've selected the correct accounts, as this ensures everything remains accurate. Once ready, click Continue. Now it's time to select the account you're transferring funds to. Carefully pick the right one to avoid errors in your records. For example, if the transfer relates to an employee advance, you can select that option to keep things properly categorized. The next step is to enter key details such as the transaction amount and, if needed, a reference number. This information is essential for tracking the flow of funds correctly. Once you've filled in those details, click on From Account and select the correct source of the transfer. Getting this right is crucial to keep your books balanced. Finally, click Save. This confirms your transaction and records it officially in Zoho Books. Everything is now stored properly, and you can refer back to it whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a bank transaction manually in Zoho Books. By practicing this process regularly, you'll make sure your financial records remain up to date and accurate. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step Zoho Books tutorials and accounting tips.